Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video, we're still working on G35. We gotta replace the fuel pump. So first thing guys, we have to do, we have to remove the negative sides of the battery. Like that you have no shorts in the car or something like that. And the second thing, I remove the seat, the back seats from the car. So now we gotta reach the place for the fuel pump, and we gotta open it. Okay, well I need to open this screws in plastic here. So there's a clamp here. So guys, I did open it like that. What I have to do to get this cover like safe and secure, disconnect the fuel pump. Okay, like that, and put it in a safe place like that. So all you have to do, you have to open all this bolt. It takes number 8mm. Open the screws and open them and adjust the fuel pump, and make sure it's not dirty, the gauge one. If it's dirty, clean it, then put the pump back. Let's go and do this job. And be careful, don't mess up towards the screws. Put it on the sides. And second thing you need a rag just to reach the fuel pump line. Like that, you're gonna be pressure. So the pressure, you can do another thing to release the pressure. Open the gas cap to release the pressure. This is what we're gonna do now. Okay, I'll open the gas cap to release the pressure. And you have the two pins inside, put on by your fingers, and you open the line. Carefully guys, do not break the... There we go. So we'll put the rag. This is when you open the gas cap, the pressure doesn't come in strong, but if you didn't release the pressure, the gas is gonna be really strong. So just get in there and put it in a safe place like that. Make sure there's no gas, and make sure guys, when you do this job, don't smoke close to the car. Those gotta be big accidents. Okay, clean the area good. You know what, any dirt go to your fuel pump tank. There's no fuel anymore on the line. Put on the sides and look to the wash is good. Everything's good there. So we're gonna do finish open the other screws. And we'll put them into a safe place. Yeah, this fuel pump is brand new. This I installed so my fuel pump dead on me, but when I install it, still have always gas show is short, so have to see what's going on. This bolt to tie the fuel pump gauge. So with like almost 3 of them, all of them still stripped like that. So I cannot put them back because they stay open and my gas start leaking. So what I did guys, I found a size for the same size. You gotta be the same. But the problem, you never gonna find the same size, like how the longer for the plug, how longer it is. Like you see how small. So what I did, I found the same size, it's gonna be longer, and you have to get male and female. So what you have to do, you have to tie it like that. It's gonna be tall. To make it tight everything, you take the female until down and you tie it to the place. So you gotta put number 10 at the top, number 10 and down, and make it tight like that down. So this I will fix the problem. Okay guys, look inside of it. Inside the fuel pump, really dirty. Cannot see it good. Yeah, inside of it's really dirty, guys. You get this dirt, you can cause all this problem. The difference between we get aftermarket, even is the OEM one, is not the same like the OEM one from the dealer, but it did the job. So let's send this one, and I got another pump. There you go, guys. I got the new fuel pump. It's coming with everything to it. It's coming with the gaskets. There's a new gasket on it. Yeah, it's coming with everything. So what we gotta do now, I gotta get some magnets and see if here is any dirt inside the gas tank or metal shave or something, and we'll go from there. So, what's up, buddy? So I try and put some new bolt screws, but it's not the same size. So I have like almost 3 screws messed up. So I should try to find some size, the same size, to put them back to the place. So stay with me, guys. Before, every time you put true crank for the car, you hear the pump. This is too much noise. So now the car doesn't feel anything. The gauge start work back again. So it's from the factory, the pump was bad. So like this one I got a free replacements. So for this thing, for this bowl here, I got from Home Depot. I got the right size one. So I saw that put a female and male and make this one got tight. You can see this one got tight, and that's it, guys. Really easy job. The car dropped. I don't drive the car yet because it's still working. Sorry guys, sometimes I cannot put the video all the way because when you work for a shop and you have to do quick videos, stuff like that, and people need to understand. And please guys, like, share, subscribe. This is the only thing make you help your channel growing up. Thank you, and I'll see you to another video.